Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we will bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, I'm going to start with today's news. Arsenal don't win Wolves 1-0 from Molineux Stadium to bridge the gap with West Ham waiting for 4th place. The boys play out their hearts after Martinelli collected red card for 2 meaningless offences. Arsenal defend with all their lives to protect Gabriel Magalhaes' lucky goal with a score of 25 minutes to end the match 1-0. When I saw the match take end though. After the match, a lot of people going to ponder that Gabriel Martinelli red card. So when they talk say, is they well deserved? And we know they well deserved. Because if you watch that match, you can see Gabriel Martinelli push somebody who want to throw in. As in push him, referee can say play on because the guy don't already throw. After the guy don't throw, then push the guy. Referee say play on. Martinelli still run. All these things happen within 5 seconds. 5 good seconds. Baba run, one push Siquinho come for down. Referee just come give him Michael Oliver. Yellow card back for that previous one, and yellow card again for this new one. So now the question is, does the law allow Michael Oliver to give him those kind of 2 yellow cards? Why not, as he don't for that second guy, then stop the play, then refer back to that old one, give him yellow card and move on? Or you give him yellow card for the new one and move on? Why give him a yellow card for the previous offences and the current offences? Now the bone of contention be that. Me, I never know the law. Maybe later I will do the research. But a lot of people they ask questions. Some people say it dey well deserved. Me sef, as I say am initially, I say it dey well deserved. But as I can't do research today for today's show, I can't get some pundits to say it no make sense, it no deserve am. Many people now they come outside the question they call. So in the coming days, maybe the referee will come outside and give us clarity. We can know what it really saw. Arsenal don start February with a bang and they don start a win with February. Make I don't forget say for January. We don't win any match for January. We don't say we don't win one match. January was a time of agony. We don't win one match. But this February, I did very, very happy. So we started with a win. And not just any win. We went away to a very strong ground, a very strong opponent, very, very stingy. Whether they make too much errors, you get. That is why we come here, come grind out the results, you get. It was very, very hard for us to get this 1-0 here. You know, easy. I will defend them with our lives. If you check the match, you see at the end of the day, see the way the boys celebrate because they know say this was a very, very important win for us. Now we don't get fifth for table, and West Ham come there ahead of us. I will still get outstanding matches against them. So it's very, very important that we won this match yesterday night. At the same time, for media settings, when they ask Mikel Arteta, say how far that red card will Martinelli get? Why they see the red card? So back out and say, making you like say we need an explanation from the referee body, then from the officials, especially Michael Oliver, but they can let us know how that thing take happen because him for 18 years we don't dey for this league, he never see that kind of officiating before. Like in 5 seconds, he give somebody 2 yellow card for 2 separate offences for the same line, the thing just happen the same place. You give him that kind of so you never see him for in life. So you need to make a explain whether I do for the law of football. You know they dispute the law, but make them come outside officially because okay, section so and subsection so states that this and this and this and that. Make you not be saying that Michael Oliver just using discretion, just use your own brain, don't give us card like that. Maybe the law no support him. You get they can't clarify him so that in the future if that kind of thing happen again, we say okay, now the law be this because we don't know any portion of the law that states that when something like that happens, after all, now you say play on. You don't say play on, another offense won't go happen. You're supposed to give him the current offense yellow card, or you give him the previous one yellow card. So I beg they can clarify the situation because if no happy as just collect that meaningless card, it don't make sense. Even at the same time, say Martinelli can go and say I am upset. What are you upset for? You go collect something meaningless foul. What you know make the guy throw for? The guy dey for your own end though, no be say na my own end. Your own end, you want throw. What is the block am for? And you know say you dey fast. The guy throw, you push am, you see use your pace, run. Don't push Siquinho, no be say you even go for the ball. Just give am body checking. You come outside on social media and say I am upset. What are you upset for? You say we no win the match, you go. Say they come knock us back. You come outside and tell us say you are upset. All these players, I mean, they fear say make Xhaka no collect red card, make Partey no collect red card because he don't dey on 2 yellow. Who would dey for half-time live update? People dey fear say make they comot Xhaka o, make they put El Neni o. Na you Martinelli also we no even dey reason at all, you no even get any card at all. Just collect gbagba before we do red card. Na wow. Michael Owen don come outside for media setting come dey talk about this Arsenal match. So Baba come dey talk say Arsenal are heading on the right direction with Arteta. Say dem dey go to the right place. Say Arteta go lead them to the promised land. Say that yesterday match, say Arteta earn im respect. Tuale say Arteta get mouth get. Don't forget say this Owen na be the same person wey predict say Wolves go knack us 1-0. But we do wetin come sup again. The guy come talk say ever since wey Arteta don enter, you don't observe the guy don see some kind things wey the guy dey do say so the guy dey take Arsenal moving forward, especially when they deal with situations like Mesut Ozil, Aubameyang, Guendouzi. Then the guy don stamp a mark of authority, mark of respect. Say him. And one of people say, the guy don't earn your respect. Say actually for the guy. Say say this guy, or say no get money to buy player, or say no buy plenty people, replace some kind of people. Still yet, they let the players know say, that top four will die there, and it's guiding them. It's guiding them like a shepherd with a confused flock. It's guiding them towards the path of righteousness. I just dey very happy to say, a man like Owen, if you come outside, can they talk this kind of thing? You sweet my belly die. But at the same time, now if you say Martinez don't collect 2 yellow card and 1 red, that is on the vacant now. So we don't get 2 options now. It's either MSP Pro go play for that place, or when they draft in Pepe. So if they go draft in Pepe, Chiona think say Pepe go fit the bill. Like Pepe go live up to expectation, because this is an opportunity for him to come inside, come take advantage of that position. Then I don't forget say Bukayo Saka no collect injury one time ago. Martinelli for no play. I don't say no play, but no dey shine with Martinelli. So now this is like a perfect opportunity, a perfect audition for Pepe to come in on display. All the Arteta no say, I dey here, I still dey here, I play, I still dey here. I wanna see this one. Should Pepe play? I will make Mr. go there. Then I let me know your thoughts for the comment section. At the same time, from media setting, they call they ask Arteta say overall, how they assess the match. Again, Baba Pato say they very, very proud of these boys. Say the way they keep themselves. Yes, the way they play with all their hearts against a wolf side. We just they throw bombing upon bombing, crossing upon crossing. They won't keep Raul Jimenez. You cross making another enter. All those Podens when they disturb us up and down. All those Siquinho, they don't disturb us. Ruben Neves, they scatter everywhere. They try to do 1 or 2, but you know what? See, it wasn't easy for the boys. You know, say after collecting that red card, just come on Saka, put in Robolo, so come play 5-man back again. Come that's why they play 5-3-1. That 5-man back consists of Robolo, David Morales, and Ben White. Then don't talk about the saves where Ramsey come pull for this match. Come on, man. Come on. But that is there, you mad me. For me, I just fear. I just there on the verge of tension. So they watch the match, they beat, they beat. I said, hey, God, dude. You know, we say this Martinelli red card now, come scatter this hard work we don't do. And lo and behold, the boy say, not today, sir, CHUKS, not today. This one, we are keeping it. This one, we dey keep am. I was very, very happy. Even Arteta said, they're proud of the boys. They have unity, they have togetherness, and that's why they are playing for each other. And you can tell when the match ended, they celebrate. We were very, very happy. Even Ruben Neves come outside talk say, Arsenal celebrated as if they won the league. Like, since I've been in this league, I've never seen Arsenal celebrate like this. Like, it shows the level Wolves is at. Like, the level of Wolves, don't they? Like, Wolves, they do something great. So we say, person go beat Wolves when they celebrate like this. But not because we beat you now, we celebrate like that. It made me say, we defend with our lives and we keep clean sheet. We don't score 1 goal. You know, easy, you get. And we said, we know, say, this February, we need to start with a win. We don't win for January now. So they talk, say, who be Wolves? What's in a big? Now they commemorate now, the collection they wait for that. Just because we don't collect red card for here. Now they come now, we'll give you that back. For the media setting, they continue to ask Arteta and say, Baba, what did they solve with all this red card with your team they collect? I will go stop all this thing. Baba come to say, make you know like say don't tire or you don't know how you want to tell the players against it. They don't need to be collecting red cards. Like, you can't afford to play the remaining 16 games with collecting red card. It is very hard to win a game with 10 men down. You get? So they explain to them, say, I beg, if not about discipline, a lot of money is not come as I come say Arsenal is one of the best disciplined side. Yet we collect red card. You don't understand. And sometimes the red card now meaningless red card. Because say maybe you stop a goal scoring opportunity, we just say, okay, we still leave am, we sacrifice for us. What do you go call this one? Say na goal scoring opportunity you obstruct, what do you go call am? Some of these red cards are meaningless, and sometimes we say they are avoidable. That's the cocoa. So Baba talk say he don't know what he will do, but he will still try to let the boys know say you can't afford to be collecting. Okay, imagine now we are going to lose Martinelli against Brentford, and Brentford na match so we need to pepper them, we need to show them say we no be una mate. But that's when I beat us for beginning of the season. Now we don't lose that one. So we think about who we go play now. I know say Martinelli now our direct player, and the only person who knows how to do direct. Like movement, can take on anybody. Now we don't lose that. We only depend on only Saka now. At least before, but then we will collect that pressure away from Saka. Even run things, Saka go run things. Nobody Saka. Well, most other people will step up sharp. Another thing we call a burst my brain. I don't know why it burst your brain. Now this Lacazette really means a sitter. Lacazette means one-on-one on a platter of gold, on a platter of diamond. As chance so they give you as if you were onside about to where as I see that I laughed to that. I laughed to that. All I'm happy is because at the end of the summer, this guy will find square root. This is not the kind of person who will take us to the promised land. Yes, we can find the square root. He's part of the old guard. We don't pursue the old guard. Make him move. We need a younger, vibrant, tough, productive striker. We will take a half chance. Don't go and give somebody a chance on the platter of gold. You go to William. For what? Why are you now number 9? If you want break on the counter attack, go see Martinelli go the jack bar, Saka go jack bar. Like I said, go see the job. No, if you run, don't tire. With the job. You don't fit keep up. That's what affected us yesterday. Anyway, thank God say they do by the end of the summer. So they don't try give am new contracts. On our monetary spiritual they call news blood. Don't come outside and let us know. So Yuri Tillemans don't tell Leicester hierarchy say, as I did like this now, I won't find my square root at the end of the summer. So when I no reason say I will sign new contract extension. Because after the summer now, the guy will get 1 more year left at Leicester. So you go pay Leicester, make them sell the guy because the guy don't know say this season Champions League go there for them. So and all of them say one play Champions League. Every player won't play Champions League before you retire now. So in the reason say in the open for sale and clubs like Arsenal and Manchester United are then they interested in this guy. So the reason say they would like to come collect them get without any wasting time. At the end of the summer, we will know how all these things will solve. So it just be. At the same time, like I said, come and say I can't talk. So for that match, the world say don't tire because they fought with their lives. Yeah, they defended with their lives. You get say it was not easy to face the pressure, waves of attack, waves after attack, attack after attack. It was not easy, but at the end of the day, they collect that 3 points, 3 maximum points they need to take them to 5th. You get with some outstanding matches. You get. It makes sense now. They don't give those kind Manchester United some kind of little gap, even if na goal difference. Give Tottenham must for like 3 points gap again. Tottenham now their next match they go play Wolves and Wolves. You have for Wolves to lose back to back. I would like to watch that match also make I monitor am because that match go sweet like mad. I say just be so my dear football lover, if you know what yesterday show, check the top left corner of your screen. You see the thumbnail. Click am and get all the updates. Yesterday update and today update no be the same. So me no go lost. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day and get out.